Let's take a look at our 3 glitter spot welding machines. We use this 801B today. Adjust the appropriate energy according to the thickness of the nickel sheet. Access point soldering pen. Get the battery pack ready. Now in ed mode. Let's switch him to mount for mode. Press the end buttons with both hands at the same time and step on the pedal. Solder the battery. Pulse output. The solder joints are beautiful and not